Good morning student, welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Today we will discuss about the chapter number 8, that our chapter name sorting materials into groups. Okay, so student, in here we will discuss about the short question and as well as long questions. Okay, so student, let's start short question type question. Short answer type question. Okay. Pick the correct option. Correct answer. Okay. So student, in your first number, which of the following does not have luster? Okay, student. You know about the meaning of luster, that shining in nature of materials. Okay, so gold bangles and cardboard, silver plate, steel glass. Student, in here that gold bangle. Okay, and the cardboard and silver plate also the shining in nature, and steel glass also shining in nature, but the cardboard, that is not have luster. Okay, student, number 1 B. Okay, you have to tick cardboard. Okay, next number, which of the following does not float on water? Okay, student, in here given option A stone, option B feather, option C that sawdust and coconut oil. Okay, so student, in here you have to consider the stone always heavy substance and they not float on water. Okay, so student, stone, number A, stone is the correct answer, that not float on water. Okay. Okay, student, number 3, which of the following is a translucent substance? Okay, translucent substance, that is sandpaper, option B wood, option C oily paper, option D that water. Okay, so student, translucent. Okay, so oily paper is the correct answer because the translucent characteristic of oily paper. Okay. Number 4, fizz and aerated drinks is due to the presence of presence of dense gas in them. Okay, so first option A carbon dioxide, option B oxygen, option C ozone, and option D sulfur dioxide. Okay, student, so fizz in aerated drinks due to presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, number A is the correct answer. Okay, you have to take the carbon dioxide. Okay, next, liquids that are soluble in water are called that immiscible liquids, flotation, sinking, miscible liquids. Okay, so the substance which mixed with water or soluble in water, that is called miscible liquids. Number D. Okay, miscible liquids. Okay, student, so this is all, these all are about your option, pick the correct option. Okay, next now we come fill in the blank. So student, you have to write properly or pick the correct option. Okay, next now we come the second number, fill in the blank. Okay, student. Number one, classification of things is done on the basis of their dex and dex. Okay, students. So you have to classify on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. Okay, so student, you have to print similarities and dissimilarities. Okay, classification of things is done on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. Okay. Okay, student. Next number, metals are dex conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, student, metals that good conductors electricity and they conduct the electricity. Okay, so metal good conductor. Okay, student, number 3, the solubility of a substance depends on the solvent used and also on the dex and dex. Okay, so student, solubility of substance that depend on the solvent used and also on the temperature and pressure. Okay, so you have to write temperature and pressure. Okay, student. Number 4, petrol is dex in water. Okay, so student, petrol is insoluble in water. Okay. Okay, student, petrol insoluble in water. Okay. Okay, student, dex rays are harmful to the eyes. Okay, student, the sun, the main source of energy, and the suns have a ray that is ultraviolet ray. Okay, so student, ultraviolet rays that harmful for us because these rays mainly affect our skin and skin cancer. Okay, so dex rays are harmful to eyes. Okay, student, ultraviolet. Ultraviolet rays are harmful to the eyes. Okay, okay, student. Now come number C. Number C states true and false. Okay, student. Number 1, grouping of things is useful for understanding their properties and using them. Yes, grouping of things useful for understanding their properties and using them. Yes, number 1 statement is correct, true. Okay, number 2, all liquids and gases are soluble in water. No, student, all liquids that not soluble in water, because some of the liquids, oil that not soluble in water, petrol that not soluble in water. So student, number 2 statement, that is false statement. Okay, student, number 3, objects which are lighter than water sink in it. Students, some of the object that heavy and some of the object that lighter. Okay, so mainly the light substance that float on water and the sink some heavy substance that sink in water. Okay, so in here the statements, objects which are lighter than water sink in it, that is opposite of their water characteristics and the material. So student, this statement also false. Okay student, number 4, object through which we cannot see are called opaque object. Yes student, transparent substance, okay, object that we can see but we cannot see opaque objects. Okay, so student, this statement also true. Fizz in aerated drinks is due to presence of oxygen in them. No student, this statement is false because the fizz aerated drinks is due to presence of carbon dioxide. Okay, this is also false statement. Okay student, so all this about your state true or false. Okay, next select the odd one. Okay, number D, select the odd one. Okay, number 1, wood, plastic, rubber, glass, gold. Okay student, in here wood, plastic, rubber and glass, gold. Okay, so student, all these wood, plastic, rubber, glass, all these are the wood that is opaque in nature, plastic that is also opaque in nature, rubber also opaque in nature, or glass that is also materials, but all the four materials, wood, plastic, rubber and glass, that is not shining in nature, but the gold that is shining in nature, luster, the materials that have special characteristic, that is luster characteristic. Okay, okay student, so you have to find the odd one among the option. Okay, next student, milky water, orange juice, tracing paper or wooden door. Okay, milky water, orange juice, tracing paper and last one, wooden door. Okay, milky water, that is liquid substance, orange juice, liquid substance, and tracing paper, that is paper, but wooden door, that is the solid in nature, wooden door. Okay, this is the odd one among these. Okay, so among these odd one. Next number 3, aluminum, iron, copper, silver, cloth. Okay, all these are metals, aluminum, iron, copper, silver and cloth. So cloth, that is all these are the metals and cloth are the materials, that is odd one. Okay student, number 4, sugar, salt, sand. Copper sulfate, Okay, students, sugar, salt, then purely soluble in water, or copper sulfate, or orange juice. That is the substance of the sand. That is the mixture of the different type of substance. Okay, that is the mixture sand. Okay, so this is among these all are the sand. Sand is the odd one. Okay, next number 3. Wood, iron, stone, glass, plate, rubber, ball. Wood, iron, stone, glass, rubber, ball. Okay, student, in here stone, glass plate, rubber ball, and wood and iron. Iron only have the metal and other the substance or material. Okay, okay, student. This is all about your odd one. Select the odd one. Okay. Next, now comes number E. Number E, give example of each of the following. Okay, a liquid which is miscible with water. Okay, number 1. So student, alcohol. Alcohol, you can write other liquids that mix with miscible with water. Okay, student, number 2, a transparent solid. Okay, transparent solid, that is glass. Okay. Number 3, a translucent liquid. Okay, translucent liquid, that is milky water. Number 4, a liquid which is good conductor of heat. Mercury. Okay. Number 8, and insulator. Insulator, obviously conductor, insulator. Okay, so student, insulator, wood. Number 6, a lustrous substance. Okay, lustrous substance have the special characteristic. They have the shining in nature. Okay, so gold, silver. Okay. Number 7, a liquid which is immiscible with water. Kerosene. Okay, number 7, kerosene. Okay, a material with a rough texture on plastered wall. Okay, on plastered wall. A material with a rough texture. Okay, and number 9, a soft substance, that is mica. Okay, number 10, a solid which dissolves in water, that is sugar cube. Okay, sugar cubes look like this. Okay, sugar cube. Okay, student. So a solid which is dissolved in water. Sugar that is dissolved in water. Okay. Next, now come number. This is number E. Number F, give difference between, okay, so transparent and opaque object. So student, now we will see what is the difference between transparent and opaque object. So number F. Okay, what is the difference between transparent object and opaque object? Okay, student, we can see through these objects easily. Okay, transparent object we can see easily. We can see through this object easily. For example, glass. For example, glass. Okay, student, opaque object. The transparent opposite, that is opaque. Okay, so we cannot see through these objects. So you have to write, we cannot see through these objects. Okay, for example, wood. Okay, student, next, what is the difference between hard material and soft materials? Okay, another number, that is number 1, number 2, hard materials and soft materials. Okay. So these materials cannot be caught or break easily. Okay. Student, are materials, these materials cannot be caught or break easily. Okay, for example, diamond. Okay, next, soft material. These materials can be caught or break easily. These materials can be caught easily. Okay. Or break easily. For example, graphite. Okay, student. So what is the difference between transparent object and opaque objects? Okay, so transparent object we can see through this object easily. Okay, student, transparent object we can see through this object easily. Okay, हम इसे easily देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि इसका for example glass. Okay, next the opaque object we cannot see through these objects. Student, we cannot see through this object. हम देख नहीं सकते इससे, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं इसको नहीं देख सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इससे हमें जैसे कि वुड, ठीक है, वुड जो है इसमें हमारे ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है, ठीक है, वो opaque नेचर होते हैं, तो ये इसमें हम नहीं देख सकते. ठीक है, इसमें हमारे जो ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं वो इसमें नहीं दिखाई देते. हार्ड मटेरियल्स एंड सॉफ्ट मटेरियल्स. ओके, सो हार्ड मटेरियल्स, these materials can be cut or break easily. Okay, student, hard materials जो होते हैं ये easily cut होते हैं और break. Okay, for example diamond. Okay, next these materials can be cut or break easily. Okay, okay student, hard materials, these materials cannot be cut or break easily. Okay, for example diamond, and these materials can be cut or break easily. Okay, this cannot be cut or break easily, or this material be cut or can be cut or break easily. Okay, next now we come number 3. Okay, okay student, now we come the number 3, floating and sinking. Okay, floating and sinking. So what is the difference between floating and sinking? Okay, now come floating. It is the property of object in which they float on the surface of water. Okay, student, ये इसका प्रॉपर्टी है कि ये वाटर के सरफेस में फ्लोट करेगा. ठीक है, ये वाटर के जो सरफेस है उसमें ये फ्लोट करेगा, ये इसका प्रॉपर्टी है. ठीक है, इसलिए इसको जो फ्लोटिंग प्रोसेस है. फॉर एग्जांपल वुड जो है फ्लोट ऑन वाटर, वाटर पर वो फ्लोट करता है. नेक्स्ट सिंकिंग, इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रॉपर्टी है इन व्हिच दे सिंक टू द बॉटम. ठीक है, इसका प्रॉपर्टी कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो है ये वाटर के नीचे बॉटम में जाएगा. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल नेल सिंक इन द ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है, नेल जो है वो नीचे आ जाते हैं, ग्लास वाटर ग्लास है. ठीक है, तो उसके नीचे आ जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन soluble materials and insoluble materials? Students, materials that completely dissolve in water are soluble. ठीक है, जो डिजोल्व हो जाएगा वाटर में. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल सॉल्ट जो कंप्लीटली डिजोल्व होगा वही soluble है. ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट, insoluble materials, materials that do not dissolve completely in water are insoluble. ठीक है, जो मटेरियल्स कंप्लीटली वाटर में सोल्यूबल नहीं होगा. ठीक है, वही इसी को हम इनसोल्यूबल मटेरियल्स कहेंगे. जो मटेरियल है वो वाटर में सोल्यूबल नहीं होगा तो वो इनसोल्यूबल मटेरियल्स होगा. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल सैंड. ठीक है, जो सैंड है मिट्टी है वो क्या होता है वाटर में कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व नहीं होता, जैसे कि सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व होता है. ठीक है, ये कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व होता है, ये कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व नहीं होता. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दिस ऑल अबाउट योर व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन the floating and sinking and soluble and insoluble. Okay student, this is all about your short type questions of chapter 8. Next we will do this short type and very short type question answer. Okay, and also we have discussed about the long answer type question answer. Okay student, so next we will do the short answer type and long answer type question answer. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.